RTU supply the concrete for installation at Henderson's warehouse Mallusk in Belfast. It's 5 a.m. and an RTU lorry arrives on site for the first pour of the day. 7 dedicated RTU lorries leave our plant and arrive on site at Mallusk every 8 minutes. Delivering 60 cubic metres of concrete every hour with up to 350 cubic metres poured every day. A total of 470 deliveries of 40 Newton concrete specifically designed to meet the customer's requirements. A floor pour of approximately 3,500 cubic metres, representing around 40% of the overall project. Mathew Rodden from MR Concrete said, "When you work with RTU, you know that the concrete is going to get delivered on time and as per the design mix specified. There was a good feed of lorries during the pour, every hour, every day." Seamus Mulligan from Tracey Brothers said, "The service, quality of product and the expertise of the staff at RTU made my job as site foreman a lot easier. RTU is a great supplier, easy to work with and always dependable." RTU, one team, one quality, one service, guaranteed.